Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about or answer you what to do if your Chime account is locked or restrict. So go to your browser and type Chime account is locked or restrict, and then type this primo key. So this website is going to appear. Click on the first pages or link. And here is a quick step how you can unlock your Chime account. So how to unsuspend your Chime account. If your Chime account is suspended or locked, the best way to get these issues to resolve is to contact Chime. So they know exactly what you have to do in the case the account is locked. So feel free to contact the professional for solving this problem. That's the main issue. And you can go to their website, call at their helpline, or you can also do is mail them as well. And I hope if you contact with them, they can give you a solution for your problem. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.